Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Riot Client and Valorant are fully updated and Windows has the latest patches. Back up your config folder now so you can restore settings if needed. Copy config, shooter profile, and any custom CFG files to a safe folder. Then run the Riot Client as administrator and terminate overlay or input hooking software like third-party overlays, macro tools, or recording utilities. Once done, launch Valorant and note whether the game creates or modifies config files on startup. Next, open the backup or current config files with a plain text editor and look for malformed lines, unexpected characters, or truncated entries. Syntax errors break parsing. If files are corrupted, replace them with defaults copied from a clean install or a verified backup. Make sure file attributes are correct. Right-click, Properties, and uncheck Read Only. Verify owner and permissions allow your user and the Riot service to write. Also, disable Cloud Sync temporarily to prevent immediate overwrite while troubleshooting. Finish by restarting your PC to flush locked handles and then launch Valorant to confirm the config loads and your settings appear in-game. If changes still do not apply, clear cached shader and config folders in app data and the Riot Games directories, then relaunch to force regeneration. If the problem persists, inspect Easy Anti-Cheat and Vanguard logs for permission issues, reinstall Riot Vanguard, and run a client repair. If everything else fails, restore your backup and repeat edits step by step to isolate the offending change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.